Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best sketchbook spiral-bound heavy paper on the market, the US Art Supply 9" x12 Premium Heavyweight Spiral-Bound Sketchbook. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a student, or a seasoned pro, this sketchbook checks all the boxes for quality, durability, and versatility. Let's explore why this drawing pad deserves a spot in your art arsenal. Right off the bat, the value is clear. This product isn't just a single sketchbook, it's a two-pack. That's 60 total sheets, with 30 sheets in each pad. The pages are held together with a strong, professional spiral binding that makes it easy to flip through or tear out pages cleanly. Whether you're sketching a new design, practicing figure drawing, or working on a project for school or work, this sketchbook is designed to make that process seamless. One of the standout features is the paper quality. Each sheet is made of heavyweight 90-pound or 160 GSM semi-textured natural white paper. That means it's not only thicker than your standard sketchbook paper but also strong enough to support a wide range of media. You can draw with graphite pencils, colored pencils, markers, pens, pastels, charcoal, and even sketching sticks. There's minimal bleed-through, smudging is reduced, and your artwork looks clean and vibrant. The surface has a semi-gloss finish that provides a satisfying balance between smooth and textured. It gives you just the right amount of grip for dry media and enough hold for inks and markers without feathering. Whether you're shading, detailing, or layering, this paper responds well and holds up under pressure. The backing is another feature worth noting. Each pad is reinforced with a heavy chipboard backing and a sturdy cardstock cover. That makes it more durable for travel or sketching outdoors. It won't bend or warp easily. Whether you're sketching on a park bench or on your desk at home, the support feels solid. The spiral binding isn't just for convenience. It helps the sketchbook lay flat, making it easy to use both pages of a spread. If you want to scan your artwork or gift it, the sheets are perforated for easy detachment. Just sketch, tear, and share. No rough edges, no damage, just a clean cut. Another important factor: the paper is acid-free and has a neutral pH. That means your artwork won't yellow over time. If you're creating work that you want to keep for years or display, this is a big deal. Archival quality paper at this price point makes it a real winner. From kids exploring creativity to seasoned professionals sketching out concepts, this drawing pad fits a wide range of skill levels and styles. It's also a fantastic gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or just to encourage someone's artistic journey. To wrap it all up, the US Art Supply 9" x12 Premium Heavyweight Spiral-Bound Sketchbook offers durability, versatility, and premium paper at an affordable price. With 2 pads per pack, high-quality acid-free paper, and a sturdy build, this sketchbook is a top-tier choice for artists of all kinds. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more honest reviews on creative gear. See you in the next video.